Today, we explore Fermat Spiral, also called the Parabolic Spiral, a pattern seen in sunflower seeds, pine cones, and leaf arrangements. It follows a simple mathematical rule that leads to one of nature's most efficient structures. The equation begins with r equals c times the square root of time. From this radius, we map the motion into x equals r cos of t and y equals r sine of t, forming a clean, continuous spiral. Fermat spiral is closely linked to phyllotaxis, the packing method plants use to maximize space and light. Sunflower heads often follow this spiral beautifully, creating patterns that look both ordered and natural. As the CM2A engine draws the curve, each loop expands outward like steady organic growth. The shifting colors emphasize the rhythm and harmony behind the math. Fermat Spiral shows how simple rules create striking complexity. Code plus math equals art. Subscribe for more CM2A explorations.